Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online sport program. Our textbook is The Railway Children. Our unit number 1 to 5. Topic is Character Sketch. Resources required. Novel The Railway Children. English Literature Notebook. Pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale. Introduction of the lesson. In this lesson, we will revise the concept of character sketch. Thought of the day. Mother is the true queen of every home. I repeat, mother is the true queen of every home. Dear students, would you like to live near a railway? Do you think that the children will meet the old gentleman? How are foreign languages useful? How many languages can you speak? Now, what is character sketch? A character sketch. When you write a character sketch, you are trying to introduce the reader to someone. You want the reader to have a strong mental image of the person, to know how the person talks, to know the person's characteristics, ways of doing things, to know something about the person's value system. Now here is the guideline to write a character sketch. Write in present tense. Students, you have to use suitable adjectives. You have to make a mind map before writing. You have to write character sketch in 3 paragraphs. Just keep it in mind. In first paragraph, you have to write introduction of the character. In second paragraph, you have to write physical appearance. And in third paragraph, you have to write personality traits of character. And then you have to give evidence from text. Here is the mind map. It is very useful to write a character sketch. For example, it's about mother. So you can add the questions and information like this. How does she look like? How many children does she have? What problems does she face? Where does she live? What do people think about her? How does she behaves? Now, dear students, you have to do the work. Write character sketch of mother between 70 to 80 words in neat notebooks. Thank you.